In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop diagonally in Canva. While Canva doesn't offer a direct diagonal crop tool, you can still get that clean, angled look using two simple workarounds, frames and shapes. I'll walk you through both so you can pick the one that best fits your design and background. Start inside your project. On the left-hand panel, click Elements, then scroll to or search for Frames. Frames are placeholders that automatically mask your image to a specific shape. Look for a frame with a diagonal feel, like a diamond. Drag that diamond frame onto your canvas. Now, add your image by dragging it over the frame until it snaps inside. If you need to fine-tune the portion of the photo that shows, click the image within the frame and move it around to reposition, or drag the corner handles to scale it. This method is fast, keeps edges crisp, and is great when you want a consistent diagonal look without manually masking anything. If your design needs a bold, angled crop, the diamond frame often does the trick and stays perfectly aligned as you resize. If you want more control over the exact angle or placement of your diagonal, use the shape overlay approach. Click Elements again and insert a square shape. Change the color of this square to match your background so it blends in seamlessly. With the square selected, use the rotate handle to tilt it until one edge forms the exact diagonal you want. Move and resize the shape so that its edge cuts across your image at your chosen angle, and make sure the shape sits above the photo so it covers the area you want to hide. This creates the appearance of a diagonal crop without actually cropping the image. Take a moment to zoom in and nudge the shape so the edge is clean and the angle looks intentional. This technique works best on solid backgrounds, since the matching color helps the shape mask disappear visually. Both options are quick and effective. Use a frame when you want a structured, ready-made shape and a snap-in workflow. Use the rotated square when you need a custom angle that lines up with other elements in your layout. Either way, you'll get that polished diagonal finish in just a few clicks. Try each method and choose the one that matches your design and background. And that's it. Now you know how to crop diagonally in Canva using frames or a shape overlay.